In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and delete your Amazon browsing history. Whether you're using a desktop or a mobile device, these steps will guide you on how to manage this feature effectively. Plus, I'll explain how to turn off your browsing history tracking if you decide you no longer want it active. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Amazon.com. Once there, make sure you sign in to your account. Your browsing history is tied to your account, so logging in is essential to access this feature. After you've logged in, you'll see your name or an account summary appear on the top right corner of the screen. Hover your cursor over Accounts and Lists. A drop-down menu should appear, and in this list, click on Browsing History. This will take you directly to a page showcasing a list of products you've viewed in the past. Now, right before your eyes, you should see all the items that have piqued your interest. Sometimes you may want to keep the list but delete certain items from it. To do this, simply find the item you want to remove. Right underneath the product, there's an option labeled Remove from View. Click it, and voila, that item is gone. But what if you want a clean slate? Perhaps you've decided it's time to clear everything all at once. Not a problem. Stay on the browsing history page and direct your attention to the top right corner of the list. You should spot a link that says Manage History. Click on it, and you'll see a couple of new options pop up. One of these is Remove all items from view. Tap or click on that, and in an instant, your entire browsing history will vanish. Now, for some of you, you might decide that you'd prefer to keep your browsing habits private from now on. Maybe you don't want Amazon to have that information on hand. In this case, you can opt out of this feature. Once again, under the Manage History section, there should be a toggle switch or option that says Turn Browsing History On/Off. By toggling this off, you're instructing Amazon to stop tracking the products you view from here on out. If at any point you change your mind, you can always return to the same spot and turn it back on. And there you have it. The straightforward way to view, manage, and delete your Amazon browsing history. It's a great little feature that gives you more control over your privacy and personalization preferences. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more tips on managing your online accounts. Thank you for watching.